Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to change home screen theme on Android. Here's how to change your home screen theme on Android using Nova Launcher. First, install Nova Launcher by going to Google Play Store. Then search for Nova Launcher and make sure to install it. Set Nova Launcher as default launcher. Go to Settings, Apps or App Management, Default Apps, Home App, and choose Nova Launcher. Tap Nova Settings. This opens Nova's main customization panel. Select Look and Feel. Change icon style, shape, and color here. Go to Home Screen Settings. Adjust grid size, padding, and layout to match your theme style. Customize App Drawer. Go to Nova Settings again. Go to App Drawer to change background color, scrolling style, and layout. Change wallpaper. Long press on the home screen page, then tap Wallpaper. Choose from Gallery, Wallpapers app, or Nova Launcher. Enable Gestures optional. Go to Nova Settings again, Gestures and Inputs, and assign actions for swipe or tap gestures. Apply a complete theme. Use third-party apps like Wally or Zedge to match wallpaper, icons, and widgets. Save or export your setup. Go to Nova Settings, Back up and Restore, then Back up. Then hit Save, so you can reuse or restore your theme later. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.